Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get BMW 1 Series in Rocket League. Start by checking the item shop each day and scan Rocket Pass tiers for crossover content. Keep an eye on official event announcements and in-game promotions for limited bundles. Consider trading with other players or using blueprints to craft the car body when available, and always verify item authenticity before trading to avoid scams. Begin the step-by-step approach by saving credits and monitoring the item shop frequently for featured BMW drops. Next, follow Rocket League social feeds and patch notes to catch crossover events early. Prepare trade offers with clean items and fair values so other players accept quickly. When blueprints appear, calculate crafting cost before spending credits. Be patient and persistent, since timed promotions often return when trading for the BMW 1 Series. Use trusted in-game trades or well-known community platforms to lower scam chances. Always include exact item names and screenshots in messages so both sides are clear about what's exchanged. Check recent sale prices to set a fair offer and avoid overpaying during early hype. Stay calm, negotiate politely, and be ready to wait for a good deal instead of rushing into a bad trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.